Hello children, today we will be doing exercise 10.1 of circles, that is for class 10th. So the first question is, how many tangents can a circle have? So first of all, you should know what is a circle. A circle, it is a collection of all points in a plane. Yes, which are at a constant distance and at a that is radius and from a fixed point center. Yes, so how many tangents can a circle have? Now you know, as there are so many points and to every point there is one tangent, so how many tangents you can have? You can have infinite tangents. Now come to second question, that is the fill in the blanks. First part is, a tangent to a circle intersects it in how dash points. How many points? That is, a tangent touches that is in one point. As you know, if this is a circle and a line that touches exactly at one point, that is your tangent. Yes. Then second is, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a. Now they are saying, if there is a circle and if a line is intersecting like this, intersecting in these 2 points, then it is known as secant. Okay, then third part is, a circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. Now if there is a circle, okay, at most how many parallel tangents can there be? Now see, if there is one tangent over here, okay, now if you are doing and drawing parallel lines over here, now see, like this like this, if you are drawing like this, then all these are secants. Yes, only this and the line over here, this will be parallel. So you can say that there can be only 2 parallel tangents at the most. Okay, then the fourth part is the common point of a tangent to a circle, and the circle is called, now if this is a circle and this is your tangent, so this common point, this is known as your point of contact. Yes. Now after this, the third question is, a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equivalent 12 cm, length PQ is. Now here they are saying, if this is your tangent, tangent is your PQ. Yes, and radius is your 5 cm. This center is O and this distance is your 5 cm. This is your 5 cm and OQ is your 12 cm. This OQ is your 12 cm. OP is your 5 cm and OQ is your 12 cm. And you know this angle OPQ, this is your 90 degree. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, or you can write by theorem 10.1. okay, then so this angle is your 90 degree. Now by Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus PQ square equals OQ square. Okay, OP is 5 square plus PQ square is 12 square, or PQ square is 12 square minus 5 square. So PQ is under root 144 minus 25. So that is under root 119. So your correct answer is D, under root 119 centimeter. Now after this, the question number 4 is draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is a tangent and other a secant to the circle. First of all, draw a circle, okay, and then two lines that is parallel to a given line. First of all, draw a line, okay. Now we will draw lines parallel to it. Now one we have to draw a tangent and other the secant. So tangent will be a line that exactly touches at one point. Yes. So this is your tangent and a line like this. This is your secant. Then you can give the name AB, CD, EF. Okay. Now you can say AB is a line, CD is a tangent, that is a line touching exactly at one point, and EF is your secant. Yes, is this clear? Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.